Hi, this is Candy with Lovely by Nature, and I'm making a batch of soap today, and it is going to be Siren. I'm actually videotaping with my camera, so I really don't know how long it's going to last, so I'm going to try to move as fast as I possibly can. Here are all of my oils and butters, and this is a triple butter, and I did not skimp on any of the butters at all. I have a lot of cocoa butter, a lot of shea butter, and mango butter. And this is my cream. I'm sorry, this is coconut milk. Add in the coconut milk. I didn't discount the water any. Because I want to do some swirls, and just want to blend this up just a tad bit. Okay. There. I hope this cord isn't in the way. I'm gonna do that. Okay. And this is gonna have essential oils of I'll tell you what the blend is as soon as I get to that part. Yeah. Let's put the I'm putting in my lye solution. I made some soap with ingredients you can find in your kitchen. So, alright. I'm going to mix this a little bit. I just want to emulsify it. Okay. I'm trying to think if I should put the scent in, and I'm not sure. But I'm going to go ahead and put the scent in, because I don't want to have to do like separate ones. So I'm going to try to work with it. Oh, it smells so good. This is like a minty citrus blend. It smells really good. I'm gonna do this. This one's going to be more, I think. 1, 2, 3. On. That's sort of about the same amount, I think. Let's put a little bit more in here. Alright, so I want about this much. So this is the one that's going to color the whole soap. This is like a blue-green. I'm going to try to yeah, that's a good spot for it. Alright, so that's that one. That's my blue-green. I hope it's enough. And then alright, so let's blend it. So I'm hoping that it ends up being purple and not black. It looks black to me, so I may end up having to add a little bit more purple. And we have red. I mixed this with a little red mica. So this is I hope these colors come out bright as I want them to be. I hope my camera lasts, because I've never done a video with my camera. I tried to do one, but I had a whole bunch of pictures on there. So, and then I'm gonna do this is a bright orange, just a late color. All right, so what I'm gonna do, let's do orange. It's like an orange and then red. I'll leave it be. I'm not gonna bother with it. Alright, so then I'll do this one. Okay. That's not quite the color I wanted, but it'll do. I want it to be a little more blue. Let's see if I can get a little more blue in here. And I hope I don't mess it up. Alright, let's hope this record a little longer. If not, I'm gonna have to get my camera, my laptop out. Alright. Oh, it smells really good. Sort of proud. Okay. So we'll put I want to try to get the red like on the side or something. The heck, I didn't do what I wanted to do. I hope this is long enough. I might not look. Paper might not be long enough. That's okay. Don't have to work with it. Oh, I'm sorry, it smells really, really good. And I guess I'll have to take the rest of this and make a well, I don't have enough to do that, so I'm gonna have to build this to the top. You get that minty smell, that minty scent, and then you get that citrusy scent, and it smells awesome. It really does. And I might just put, I'm thinking maybe I should put a little bit of this on top here. I'll do my best to put a scent description below. But you all know I am not good at scent descriptions. Okay. I'm going to try to swirl this and see how it comes out. My camera must be crooked. Alright, so